Hello and welcome back. How to deal with this type of tricky radical question involving factorial? We have to find the value of root 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 3 factorial plus 5 divided by 5 by 16. Let's get started and find out. We know that factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to the given number. So 6 factorial will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Similarly, 4 factorial will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we can write 6 factorial as 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. Because the rest part 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is similar as 4 factorial. Now let's put these values in the given expression. 6 times 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 3 factorial plus rest part as it is. This 4 factorial will be cancelled out. We are left with 6 times 5 which is equal to 30 and this 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. Now let's solve this part. 5 is equal to 5 divided by 1 and after taking reciprocal division will be changed into multiplication. So 16 divided by 5. 5 and 5 cancel out. 13 times 3 is 90 and 90 times 2 is 180. Plus here we have 16. After adding these two we get 196 and root of 196 is equal to 14, which is the required value of the given expression. I hope it is clear. If not, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Keep watching, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.